Kaneno na suffer according to the book of Leviticus in the Old Testament. Preachers were not supposed to work. I said, I think it's in Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 1. Put it on the screen. Let us look at it. Deuteronomy chapter 1:8, verse number 1, 2, and 3. He said, the priests, the Levites, and all of the tribe of Levi shall have no part nor inheritance with Israel. They shall eat the offerings of the Lord made by fire and his inheritance. Verse number 2, therefore they shall have no inheritance among their brethren. The Lord is their inheritance. Old Testament Bible is saying inheritance. New Testament, I know preachers who owns islands. Preacher who owns a whole island with an airstrip, with a landing places for helicopter. A preacher. Wake up! This generation is not this one. It's not. And I'm standing here and I'm thinking that it is offering. Go back to verse number 1. The Bible said they shall eat the offerings. If I'm here thinking that it's only offerings I'm going to eat now, bury me more. I'm telling you, because the bills of ministry now, no, and your bills, we no more use screens, we no more use light, they didn't build auditoriums. These guys, they didn't do crusade. They were not paying television bills. They don't understand the things going on now. So if I'm going to sit down here and say maybe media gro. Meanwhile, me ya usofo no na me kata no se me no mete ho se me twen se fa offering bra ansa na me didi media gro, because e da wo be se on fa offering ne ma no me pra. Yeah, I'm telling you that me pra unya me kawo bi akoma pa. Give or some member. Only you who are a cousin. When I remember some my own to I'm penny and pan was for the Nordico. It's just you who are trying to say, well, no Kofi Oduro the Akoto iron rods car back one. I can't sorry this kind of quick.